you will be in a very unstructured environment and you need to create a structure for yourself. So that is what B School teaches you. Competition mein there are two benefits, paisa offer. So all of us want that.
So if you are from sales and marketing, you'll get an opportunity to start off with a stint in sales for a few months, then move on to a stint in brands, and then also new retail. And finally do a ASM stint, which is essentially an area sales manager stint, which will be a final stint, which will prepare you for the first role that you take on as an area sales manager after you complete the LEAP program.
But just be easy on yourself, be more structured, know what you want and just chase that.
Once you get an internship opportunity with Colgate, you are part of our LEAP program, which stands for Leadership Experiences and Advancement Program, which is essentially our flagship management trainee program. So you do a 2-month internship with us, and the brightest minds from the internship get an opportunity or get a PPO offer and then join us as a LEAP associate after the second year. And this is what your journey would look like when you join us as a LEAP associate during final placements. So it's essentially, what is LEAP? It's essentially a rotational development program. So the way it is structured is we have a foundation module where there will be a detailed onboarding in terms of understanding about the organization, various sub-functions. You'll also get an opportunity to get cross-functional exposure. So for example, if your specialization is sales and marketing, you will also get an opportunity to visit our manufacturing sites, get an understanding of how our products are made, right in front of you. So you need to have a holistic understanding of the overall business for you to be an effective sales and marketing professional. And similarly, if you are from supply chain, you will get exposure to understanding how to sell, in the market, how understanding our go-to-market strategy, understanding our branding, all of. So you'll get a cross-functional exposure depending on what your sub-function is. And then you'll also be going to certain leadership development programs and have an opportunity to make an impact through our CSR initiatives. And then the second part of it is the development module, which are essentially going to be rotational stints within the function. So if you are from sales and marketing, you'll get an opportunity to start off with a stint in sales for a few months, then move on to a stint in brands, and then also new retail. And finally do a ASM stint, which is essentially an area sales manager stint, which will be a final stint, which will prepare you for the first role that you take on as an area sales manager after you complete the LEAP program. All of this is going to be tied back to a buddy program. The intent of the program is for you to have an integrated understanding of all facets of the business landscape, give you early exposure so that you can be effective as quickly as possible to the organization. And each functional stint, so each rotational stint is going to develop your core as well as transformative competencies, meaning that there'll be a lot of personal growth because you're going to move on to various stints very quickly. So you'll see there is a lot of personal growth which you will see developing. And for us to understand, this experience better, I would now like to welcome Niharika Gupta on stage. She's currently a brand manager with Colgate. She's joined us through the LEAP program. She's an alum of IIM Lucknow.
A few years back, I was on the other side. I did my MBA from IIM Lucknow. I joined in 2019, graduated in 21, and then joined Colgate thereafter. You would have realized after hearing Tejasvi that in Colgate, there's a lot of opportunities and exposure you get. So after joining Colgate, I did join as a part of the LEAP program. We had 3 stints that we did during our first year. I had my first year of management trainee. After that, I was an area sales manager. I was looking after the entire trade for Odisha at Colgate, and very recently I've moved as a brand manager, and really happy to interact with all of you and take up questions as we talk through this conversation.
So I think just to set the context and for everyone to have a good understanding of what life at B School would look like before we get onto the roles at Colgate. Niharika, if you could tell us or give us a sneak peek into what your life at IIM Lucknow was, and do you think that prepared you for the challenges that you faced in the corporate world so far?
Yeah. So I think, given that all of you guys are going to be joining a B school this year, there are so many things that we want to do, right? We aspire to do once we join a B school. How do we juggle between all of this? How do we prioritize, schedule, make sure that we are doing or achieving the top 2 or 3 things that we really want out of our B school experience? So once you're there, you will realize that there are so many things that you need to prioritize, you need to manage your time better. And you need to have a very structured approach. Like I remember Mriganki was saying during her session that it's a very unstructured environment. How do you create a structure and schedule for yourself? That is very important. And that will remain through life, through corporate. You will be in a very unstructured environment and you need to create a structure for yourself. So that is what B School teaches you. You will have so many things coming to you, coming at you, but please make your choices. You don't need to do everything that's available as an option. Please pick what you like, please pick what you enjoy, and go after that. So that is something you will learn at B School, and you will really incorporate that at your corporate life also, because like even at Colgate, there are so many opportunities and options. So you will learn how to strategize, prioritize, and pick what you really like.
Great. I think that I'm sure that's going to give a good insight because everyone is going to place foot on campus in the coming few weeks. So with that, we also wanted to understand, Niharika, in terms of, once you get onto campus, I'm sure, there's a lot of preparations that will happen for summer internships just in a few months right after you join. So what were the factors that you considered in terms of making a decision of which organization to join, and what made you join Colgate-Palmolive?
Yeah, really interesting question. So how many of you already know which sector industry you want to join? Do you have that clarity already? Wow. So see, this is a small percentage, but I'm really happy to see that you guys already have that clarity. A lot of us don't know. So when I was on campus, because I was from a marketing background and wanted to be in marketing only, I did have more inclination towards FMCG, which is why I was seeking opportunities, with any opportunities that came via competitions, via summers, etc. So for me, when Colgate Inner Circle happened, I was really excited about it. So I applied. I was one of those people who was really waiting for that application because there was a lot of buzz on campus about Inner Circle. Our seniors had gone for it. They had loved that experience. And all of us want to do these things because we want an offer, right? Like competition, there are 2 benefits, paisa offer. So all of us want that. We want that money experience and we want that offer also. So for me, Colgate Inner Circle was an opportunity to really understand, what an FMCG has to offer, and which is why I really joined Colgate Inner Circle. I was one of the finalists. It was a 2-day immersive program, and I really enjoyed it. Why I chose Colgate was because when I was here for Inner Circle, it wasn't a classroom learning. We were 12 of us. We were not put in a room where we were going through presentations or, learning through presentations. It was learning by experience. We were like literally made to experience how sales functions. We went to the stores to really understand how products are kept and sold. We spoke to consumers. We did a lot of articulation, came out with brand stories. In just 2 days, we even created a digital asset, and it was put on the Colgate channel. So when I saw all of that, I really enjoyed because I'm somebody who really likes hands-on. Most of the people that we interacted with were the top leaders in the organization, and they had joined via the management trainee route. So I saw an opportunity because all of us want to grow in our careers, and Colgate really cultivates that, which is why, Tejasvi, I thought of joining Colgate.
Great. I think, that talks about, the experience and the exposure that, they also could get if, they get and apply through Colgate Inner Circle. So I think that's an excellent example, Niharika. If you could also tell us, about during your first year, which is essentially when you were going through your rotational stints and even when you took on your first role as an ASM, can you help us understand a few challenges or the most exciting project that you worked on and that made you feel accomplished based on the impact that you created during your time?
During my first year, And I think in the last 3 years, most of my experience has been in sales, right? Because I did like my first 3 months in sales when I was in the management trainee year. Then I did a whole 2 years of sales in Odisha. So I would like to say that I think that was the most impactful stint that I did at Colgate. Because, so let's try to understand this. So for India, most of our retail environment, most of our shoppers are shopping from the general and kirana stores today, right? And it's an ask-based environment. You already have a decision in mind कि मेरे को जाके Colgate खरीदना है, मुझे Colgate का एक toothpaste देना, ऐसे जाकर लोग खरीदते हैं, right? So the decision is already made in the mind of the shopper. Now when that decision is made, if you go and ask for a Colgate and if that Colgate is not available, what will happen? You end up losing that sale, right? So the sales team now has a mammoth task of making Colgate available in every shop, so that when a shopper comes and says कि मेरे को एक Colgate देना, तो कहाँ से आएगा? Sales team डालेगी दुकान में तभी तो आएगा ना? So that is what happens. Like when you are in sales, you need to service that ask, which is why I was like really passionate about my role. I could create a lot of impact. Like the entire state was under me. We were doing like X crores of business every month. We had like a team of 200 people on the ground. We were making sure that our product is available everywhere. So the hands-on experience that you get, the impact that you create is massive. You are so close to business, so close to trade, and you don't really get that understanding. So that also humbles you in a lot of ways.
I think, I'm sure, all the insights that Niharika has shared are fruitful and, something that, you can ponder upon when you decide, in terms of the journey that you want to take on from B School. Just one last question, Niharika, in terms of any advice that you would like to give, aspirants who are now just going to start off, in their journey at B School. Any tips, any hacks that you would like to share with them?
So I think just be easy on yourselves, because what really happens is that we've all of you here, I'm sure, worked really hard through school, got excellent grades in school, then you've been through a very competitive exam, cleared that, cleared interviews, and finally made it here. All of you guys will be doing really well in the future. I'm sure about that. You will be in great companies or having good businesses of your own, or whatever you want to do, or maybe chasing a passion. But just be easy on yourself, be more structured, know what you want and just chase that. And things will happen for you, things will fall in place and things will follow. So be easy, be structured, be disciplined, and chase what you really want. This is what I'd like to say, everyone.
Great. I think those are some, wonderful points, that you can keep in mind as advice from somebody, who's just a few years right out of B School. So with that, we would just like to conclude the session, because I can see everyone is already getting restless, from all the sessions since morning. So thank you so much, everyone, for your time. And we hope, the last 1.5 hours we were able to share in terms of, everything that about the company, but also for you to get a good understanding about the role and what your journey would look like if you decide to join an FMCG and an oral category leader like Colgate. Yeah. Thank you.
Thanks, everyone.